Welcome back to Panahon Ko To. Coco Banana Team, at this point, meron na kayong 5,000 pesos each. At ito ang panahon para madagdagan yan dito sa Sinong Sikat. Ang kailangan niyong gawin is name the celebrity behind the stars. At para matanggal ang mga nakatakip na stars, just fill in the blank with the correct answer. Bawat tamang sagot worth 5,000 pesos yan. Coco Banana Team, reminder sa inyo, pwede kayong mag-pass at balikan ang stars na hindi nabuksan. Answer correctly kung sinong sikat and win 100,000 pesos! Okay, Coco Banana Team, let's begin. Ang ating picture ay hango noong dekada 80s. Ngayon, sino sa inyo ang maglalaro? Miss Marissa. Miss Marissa, you have 60 seconds to play. Timer starts now. Choose a star. Number one, popular restaurant promo. Eat all you bland. Correct. Choose a star.
Number 2.
Two, film role ni Sarah Geronimo. Laida Blanc.
Come again?
Laida Blanc. Film role ni Sarah
Number
Geronimo.
3.
Number three, famous novel ni F. Shonil Jose. My Brother, My Blank. You can pass and choose a star.
Pass.
Choose a star. Number four,
4.
term sa bowling. Grand Mas Blank.
Grandmaster.
Wrong. Choose a star.
Number 4. Number 5.
Number five, two main layers ng human skin. Dermis and blank.
Epidermis.
Correct. Choose a star.
Number 6.
Number six, fastest woman of all time. Florence Griffith Blank.
7.
Number seven, unang ruta ng Philippine National Railroad. Manila to Blank.
To Bicol.
Wrong. Choose a star.
Number 2.
Number two, film role ni Sarah Geronimo. Laida Blanc.
Number 3.
Nakabukas ka ng dalawang between. Balikan natin yung mga hindi mo nabuksan. Starting off with number 2. Film role ni Sarah Geronimo. Ako, fan ako ng character niya dito. Sa Very Special Love and You Changed My Life. Laida Magdalas. Kasama yan si Toy D. That's right. Number 3. Famous novel ni F. Shonil Jose. It was in 1973. My Brother, My Blank. My Brother, My Executioner. Number 4. Term sa bowling. Grandmas Blank. Hindi po Grandmaster. Grandmas T ang hinahanap namin. Ay yung alignment of pins left standing. Ika nga, bungi. Yes. Number 6. Fastest woman of all time. Florence Griffith Blank. Ang hinahanap po namin, Florence Griffith Joyner of the US, 10.49 seconds and the 100 meters noong 1988. Wow. Number 7, unang ruta ng Philippine National Railroad, Manila to Blank, Manila to Dagupan, noong 1892. Okay, yun po mga hinahanap namin sagot. Ms. Marissa, kailangan ibigay ang full name ng ating mystery celebrity. Once again, we are looking for a person. Again, mula noong dekada 80s ang ating larawan. You have 5 seconds para sabihin sa amin kung sinong sikat. Timer starts now. Take a guess. Walang naibigay na sagot. Simmer natin ang tamang sagot sa pagbabalik ng Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko.